In 2012, my wife decided we needed a pool. But where? We had a beautiful backyard. So one day it snowed, so I painted the snow. To help visualize where it would look best. Then even more visualizations. The decision was made. Now the groundwork. Bring in the machines. Make the base. They worked 12 hours non-stop. First swim. Built a nice walkway from the deck to the pool. Not good enough. We needed a deck. Please excuse the crudeness of this blueprint. So the deck begins. They still managed to swim while I worked. Chain link safety fence. It looks so good at night with the solar lamps. First winter. White railing and posts with safety glass. Second winter. Summertime. Pool skirt around the base. Security gate, each door weighs 75 pounds. The final result. Thanks for watching.